Hello, my friends, the SAGWE family. How is everybody doing? Okay, today I would like to talk about how to survive the coronavirus crisis. Yes, I know it's a period of fear, anxiety, all of this. But I would like to tell you, my friends, my dear subscribers, my viewers, to not operate from a place of fear or anxiety. The first thing to do is to stay informed. And stay informed from official sources, because you can be bombarded with a lot of information. Some are just not accurate. So this is why it's important to verify the sources you extract your information from. The second thing is to apply the knowledge for your own protection. Everybody already knows that, but it's just a friendly reminder of application, of like general hygiene rules, like washing hands. If you are sneezing, use a tissue that you can throw in the trash afterwards. If you are coughing, sneezing too, you can use your elbow. We will talk about some important factor to keep. First off, take care of your general health. That's important. Keep a healthy nutrition. Nutrition is key in our health. Avoid the processed food. Avoid the carbs. I know that the body needs some carbs for its metabolism, but you know what? We don't need more than 1 table of sugar a day. Okay? And the added sugars are not for us. Those carbs trigger the release of cytokines that are linked to inflammation. Any state of inflammation in the body will weaken the immune system. It's important that our immune system is functional. The people who die from the coronavirus infection are either with a compromised immune system or elderly. This is why the fatality rate is less than 2% till now. So, as I said, prioritize a healthy nutrition. You will need some supplement too, because sometimes we can say, oh yes, I can get this from food, yes, but sometimes there is what they name like bioavailability, the amount of vitamin or whatever the nutrients that are not well balanced from the food. You don't even know how much food you should eat to get the amount of vitamin or whatever the nutrient that you need for this purpose. For example, you will need 3 grams of vitamin C to boost your immune system. So you will say, oh, I can have it from orange. Yes, but from one regular orange, you can have only 50 milligrams. When we talk about 3 grams, we are talking about 3,000 milligrams. So go figure how many oranges you will eat to have those 3 grams of vitamin C. And remember, vitamin C is very volatile. By the time you are pressing your orange, by the time you are peeling it, by the time the orange like travel from California, from Florida to arrive where you are, you can imagine that a lot of its vitamin C is gone already. Okay. The other supplement that can help you boost your immune system, vitamin D. We have also omega-3 fatty acid that you can find in fish, in salmon, mackerel. Well, yes, and you will need some zinc too to boost the immune system. So other thing to help your immune system is sleep. We imperatively need sleep because there are a lot of functions in the body that are only done while we are sleeping. For example, the repair of the body, the elimination of some toxins, things like that. They are done only when we are sleeping. So we imperatively need our sleep. And also, please avoid alcohol. Alcohol is defined as carcinogen class 1 by the World Health Organization. So there is no amount that is the good amount you can have. It's well demonstrated how alcohol can make your immune system weaker. And this is something that we don't need. Okay? These days. And also other thing we need to help our immune system. I talk about nutrition, about sleep, the emotions regulation, talking about stress, how to manage our stress, our anxiety, because we all know how anxiety will strike on the cortisol level. And talking about cortisol, that stress hormone will make our immune system weaker. So we have really to find a way to manage our stress. This is why since the beginning I told you to not operate from fear, from anxiety, just being informed, well informed, and then apply the knowledge to your life. Okay. Other thing to help our immune system, guys, is exercise. SAGWE. Yes, studies show that regular exercise, even moderate exercise, will boost the immune system because they realize that all of many of the biomarkers linked to inflammation, they are reduced with exercise, like CRP, interleukin 1, interleukin 6, TNF alpha, and others that I want to go into the details in this particular video. But keep in mind that exercise, yes, can help you boost your immune system. And I'm very thrilled to tell you, don't stop exercising because of fear of coronavirus. Stay active. Although you will not come to the gym as regularly as you used to, or if you are not a gym person, but wherever you are, you can still continue to be active and to practice your exercise routine. Our SAGWE, we can do it wherever we are, at home, at the gym, in the street. We can do our SAGWE anywhere. So this is why, guys, I encourage you to continue your exercise. Okay, so wash hands, and if you are at the gym, you can manage to choose machines that are not in the vicinity of other people, and clean before and after using any machines, and clean everything. Practice general hygiene measures. That's my advice for you guys. As always, have fun, stay fit, stay safe, and stay healthy. Okay, guys? Now we will continue our SAGWE adventure. Okay? We will do our warm-up, and then we will go on the treadmill. Today we will do a 20 steps warm-up. See you guys. hello, my friends, my SAGWE family. Yes, we were on the elliptical machine, and okay, we already talked about how to survive the coronavirus crisis. Remember, washing hands, clean before and after. Okay, keep a healthy nutrition, adequate quality and quantity of sleep, 8 hours minimum, and also don't forget your supplement, vitamin C, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acid, zinc, and also keep your stress level low by dancing, practicing SAGWE, and keep your workout routine. If you can even increase it, go for it, because as we said earlier, exercise does help boost the immune system. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, have fun, stay fit with SAGWE for life. Bye guys, see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button, okay, to receive all the new uploads on a weekly basis. Stay fit. SAGWE.